Back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And what I have for today is, well, I need your help. So we're gonna Disney World pretty soon, and I am a terrible packer. That means I want to pack everything. I overpack. I'm getting better because for Paris we had to take only like a carry-on size bag for a week, and that was difficult, but it was done. And I'm trying to get into that mindset, but Disney World, I just feel like I need to go extra big. I need to take all my lounge flies, but there's no way. So I need your help. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you 2 outfits for each park, and I need your help deciding which of the 2 outfits to take. I'm also gonna show you a bunch of lounge flies with the outfits, but again, I need you guys to help me narrow it down because I cannot take all of these. I wanna bring stuff back home, you know? So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this. Let's get to it.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte.
super sweaty, but I hope you enjoy that. Please let me know in the comments for each park which one was your favorite, so that I can narrow it down to just one outfit per park, because there's no park hopping, which means surely there's no outfit changes. So I only need one outfit. Also, I heard that I can wear a costume to the parks this year. They're making an exception. So I need your help deciding what costume to wear. I have a couple in mind, but I would love to see what you guys think would fit good for me. And also, if you want to see couple costumes, let me know a couple costumes that we could wear. I think Brendan said he'll wear one, like for one park he'll go in costume. So let me know which one. I'm thinking it'll be for, I don't know, I guess it'll depend on what you guys say. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of Disney magic type videos, because I'm going to the parks and it's gonna be my first time vlogging, and I hope you're here for that. Until next time, adios.